Okay, I'm back for another one. Kind of jumping around a little bit today. So I bought new seat upholstery for Squarebody. So I went to the auto wreckers and I picked up a bench seat out of a Squarebody. This is for that 1980 GMC I got. It's got buckets in it right now. Some people like buckets. That's great. I prefer a bench in a truck. So anyway, I went and picked up this bench out of the auto wreckers with my buddy Jeff, and I'm going to go ahead and try and reupholster it today. So this is just a Rock Auto upholstery kit, probably one of the cheapest kits you can get. Let's go ahead and strip this thing down, and we'll see how she goes together. Let me get you guys set up on the tripod, and we'll get rolling. So down here we got a couple of Phillips. It's the exact same thing on the other side. Just knock these two off. Because this seat's green and I'm going like my 80 GMC has a gray interior. So I'll hit these plastics with the gray. Some gray vinyl dye or paint or whatever. And boom, those are off. And then we want to take off this bolt here. It's a 3/4 bolt. Let's see here. All right. There's a plastic washer behind there and just kind of keeps it off of the fabric. So make sure you save these. And they go between here, right? Just remember that, because you don't want to be marking that vinyl up, because it will tear. So on the back here, you can see all these hog rings. Now you can use anything you want to take them off, right? Side cutters. I try not to wreck my good ones, but I always got a pair of junky ones. These are the hog rings. This is how you put them on. So we don't need that right now. And these are these are hog ring pliers I bought at Princess Auto, Harbor Freight kind of deal, like 25 years ago. And I love them. They're great. These are the ones that come free in the kit. Take these and throw them in the garbage. They are trash. You don't want these. These are free for a reason. I don't know why I saved them. Maybe in case of emergency. I'm not sure, but I'll never use them. Anyway, let's start trying to get these rings off, these hog rings. I'll probably fast forward this for you guys. There's not a lot to see. Just you can grab it and twist. Just like that. I really prefer the side cutters, but sometimes they're not quite strong enough or twisty enough. But seem to be working fine today. It's not hard to find a good Squarebody seat. They're everywhere, but it is hard to find one with good foam. In fact, I'm a little curious to see if this has been repaired under here, because it feels really good. I think that the other side does not want to come off, so I'm assuming the weld probably broke in the back. Let's take a look. more once we get it off. Maybe I'll pop these seat tracks off first. Okay, so now I'll knock these off. You can see over here, you can see remnants of a mouse house. If you know me, you know I'm not a big fan of mice. So I think I'm just gonna run back. So it looks like I got a seat for 81 and up. Sorry, I have a seat from, I don't know, maybe a 78 or something. But this seat upholstery is for 81 and up. What I had to do is I had to weld on this little piece here so I could hook this to it. I'm hoping that's enough to make all the difference. My brother and Jacob have shown up. So hopefully they brought a little luck with them. All right. So I don't know if how much we got on video earlier of me struggling trying to get that on. Russ likes to watch the struggle. In fact, it's the only comment I got out of him is him giving me a hard time about me struggling and how much he enjoyed watching me struggle. Other than that, he doesn't really watch or comment or subscribe. Sure. Okay, so there we go. We got the seat back together. She's all back on. We got the new color for the Squarebody truck. The back turned out really good. These tops are a little light right in the very corners, both of them, but tight everywhere else. I'm fine with that. I think over time the foam will make its way up there. Same as up front here. I think this fabric is sticking real hard on the foam, so I do got a little bit of wrinkles on down here. And again, I think with time those will let go as well. It's very taut. It feels great, looks great. Again, no problems with it at all. If you're looking at getting one from Rock Auto, boy, I sure hope they send you the right one, because I had to weld up that piece and that sucked. But we got her done. She looks great. And special thanks to Jacob and Russ.
Woo!
Jacob, the quiet one.
Oh, woo.
Russ, the one we wish he would be. Got a joke for us, Russ? I guess not. Okay, so that's going to do it for today. Catch you on the next one.
No joke.